Hey little artists! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we are going to draw a colorful and happy school building. Grab your markers and let's have some fun together. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. First, let's draw a triangle at the top. This will be the roof of the front building. Now, draw a tall rectangle under the roof. This is the front part of our school. Behind it, draw a wide rectangle. This will be the back building of our school. On top of the back building, draw a rounded roof, like a half circle. Awesome work so far! Let's add some stairs at the bottom of the front building. Now, draw a big door right above the stairs. Kids have to enter, right? Above the door, draw a rounded window, like a rainbow. You are doing fantastic! Now, at the very top of the front building, draw a circle clock, so kids can see the time. Next, let's add 8 windows on the back building.
La da 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 dee.
Just little rectangles with a crisscross inside. Four windows on the left side and 4 on the right side. Finally, under the clock, let's write the word school in big bold letters. Amazing job, everyone! Our school building drawing is complete. Now, let's make the outlines bold and sharp, so the drawing really pops out. Looking awesome, isn't it? Yay! Now the most exciting part, coloring time. Show your rainbow color markers. While coloring, call out each color. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Pink color.
La da 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 dee.
You did such an amazing job drawing and coloring your own school building. High five, little artists! Don't forget to subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub for more fun and easy drawings every week. See you next time. Keep drawing, keep smiling. Bye-bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.